before you give the oxygen mask to someone else, you have to put it on yourself. And so to give the best care for my baby girl, I need to take care of myself too. And so I'm grateful that I found this place. It's gonna be my new home. It's nice that there's people to take care of me so I could really give the best care for the ones I love too.
So we're really excited because if you follow us on socials, you know everybody inside these walls really believes in the experience. And so when people send us DMs or request if they could be a provider, if they could work here, our answer is always, well, have you been a client? Do you even know what it is that we do before you decide you want to do this experience for others? So we are so excited. She's going to be adding this to her many things that she provides as a nurse, taking care of other people in her day life and then her family at home.
Yeah.